Why add Downy fabric conditioner to your laundry? Because Downy conditions your clothes to help keep them looking newer longer. Protecting your clothes against stretching, fading,
yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off again.
Your clothes are made up of thousands of fibers that can get damaged in the laundry process. But unlike detergent alone, Downy works to strengthen fibers against the damage in the wash, helping your clothes maintain their shape and color. Just add Downy in the softener dispenser before starting a load to help protect your clothes with Downy fabric conditioner.